in my husband Johnny's kitchen. As you guys know, I like to make things quick and easy when it comes to dinner time. I am definitely not a chef. So today I'm actually going to do something that's real simple and tastes so delicious, and you can mix it up and make it your own. I'm going to make chicken pockets. So here you can see my mixture of my chicken thighs that I've cut up with the cilantro and red onion. I did season those chicken thighs with some garlic, pepper, some sea salt, sorry, and a little bit of seasoning salt. And I just chose red onions, but you can use any kind of onions that you'd like. Just cut it all up, put it in a pan with some water, and let it saute until the chicken's cooked and the water boils out. So simple. When it's done cooking, I'll come back and show you guys what we do next. Okay, so our chicken is all done. You can see our chicken breast that I cut up real small, almost a crumble size. And I put the cilantro, about, I'd say 2 leaves of cilantro, 2 full leaves, and about 2 big slices of onion. And I chopped that up, cooked it together in some water with some seasoned salt, pepper, and sea salt and garlic. So that's all ready to go for our pockets. And then I've got some shredded, I always say it wrong, but I think it's Oaxaca cheese. Um, it's been shredded already. I've got it in the bowl here. And believe it or not, our pocket is going to be made by a simple flour tortilla. So I have taken 2 eggs, beaten them. I did not add anything with them. And what we're going to do is take our meat mixture, put it in one side, about half of our tortilla. Okay, so we're going to put that here. And we're going to add some of the cheese. Now, sometimes I have the tendency to overstuff things, but here we go. And then we're going to take the egg mixture, or the egg mixture, I should say, and we're going to put it around the outside of 1/2 of our tortilla. And again, I'm using the flour, but you could use the carb sense ones. Those ones work really well as well because they're nice and soft and they're very similar texture to the flour tortilla. So we're just, I said 1/2, but I'm sorry. We actually put it all the way around, and then we're going to fold it in half. Now you have the option of putting other things in here. You could do it with pizza sauce and pepperoni and cheese. You could do it with Philly cheesesteak, anything you'd like, but I'm going to do it more like a taco. So I'm going to put it together and we'll come back and take a look at it. So when you're pinching the pocket, you want to make sure after you've put that egg mixture around the edges that you pinch it really tight so that it can seal. Once it's sealed, then that's when you can put it in the grease. All right, so now we've pressed the edges together and I've sealed it really tight. You want to make sure you seal all the edges really tight with pressure. Got one coming open there. Okay, and once that's done, you're going to stick it down in the grease and just let it fry, and we will come back once I take it out. Okay, so we've finished our chicken pocket. And if you look here, I've cut it open. And we've got that seasoned chicken thigh that we cut up with the cilantro and the onion and that Oaxaca cheese. I don't think I have quite said that right. Wrapped in that tortilla that was then deep fried. And I got a side of sour cream here, so we're going to do the best part, the taste test. All right, so I dipped it in that sour cream. Let's take a taste. That's delicious. Super quick and easy. All it was, the chicken thighs cut up with the cilantro, the onion, put it inside the tortilla with the egg and the Oaxaca cheese. We deep fried it, but remember, you can actually use the air fryer if you want to be a little bit healthier. You can also use the carb sense tortillas to make it a little bit healthier, as well as any other ingredients. You can make these and substitute many things like pizza items, Philly cheesesteak. You got lots of choices. So This is delicious. I'm going to go ahead and continue eating. And until next time, I'm Lakeisha with What's Next, and we'll see you around.